Why does Spanish have two words for the verb to be? Well, we all know Spanish is a Romance language, meaning it descended from Latin. And in Latin, there was a verb esse related to essence, which means like to be. But there was also another verb that was starting to develop in the late Latin with a different connotation. Estare, which meant to stand. So you could say sum tristis, I'm sad, as in like it's your personality, or you are always sad. Or you could say esto tristic, which was a metaphorical, a poetic way of saying I'm sad, as in I stand sad, or I'm sad in the current moment. You know what I mean? And over time, these differences evolved into modern Spanish, and now you have two verbs: ser for like permanent traits, and estar for like temporary things. Somebody said ser can be as like to exist as something, whereas estar can be translated as to be in a state of. And what's cool is that you can say its remnants in other Romance languages too. For example, in French, the verb to be is être, and some conjugations come from the verb esse, while the others come from the verb estare. And this phenomenon where two different words can be reinterpreted as two different forms of the same word is called suppletion. And this also happens to the English verb to be. For example, the conjugations of the verb to be starting with the letter B came from one verb, and the conjugations starting with the letter W or other vowels came from the other ones. And how do I know all this? Well, because I follow SoundHub and because of this guy. Pienso que la primera vez cuando te dijo a suscribirme, no sé.